Not my boy Ferg. Not Ferguson. Look at his kitty game back there broken. My boy. Numba, who did this to you, Ferguson?
To hear more options, press 0. What are you talking about?
I'm really understanding why people get so stressed out when Vlogmas is coming up, because this is not fun. Like thinking there's nothing to do right now at all. So like trying to do stuff every day, or else you just feel like you're so boring. It's just like not fun. Like I really don't feel like doing it anymore. But let's see how many days I have left. So this is going up today. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And do you do the 26th or do you just do it up to Christmas? But anyway, today we're decorating Christmas tree number 2, but for me number 3 because Ferguson. Also, something tragic happened today with Ferguson. Not my boy Ferg. Not Ferguson. Look at his kitty game back there broken. My boy. Numba, who did this to you, Ferguson? Let's roll the footage.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. Chestnut roasting, frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.